Look, Willie, people are still asking me about why I wear sneakers with every damn thing. You're gonna stop with that. And I've explained it on the after show. I've explained it in a segment. But now I'm explaining it in your face right here in sneakers. You're always asking the same stupid questions. So now, Mr.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so in today's episode, Wendy addressed the elephant in the room. So, my girl is pretty tired of being questioned by fans about her wearing those doggone sneakers every day. And in today's episode, she brought out her GLAM squad to answer the question once and for all.
You have to make it work. She has lymphedema, so we can't slip into the glittery flats that we used to do. The lymphedema, it causes swelling in the ankles, so we can't slip into those delicate flats anymore. So we make the best of it, and we buy her the flyest sneakers. Like,
why don't you get my shoes made for me? Why don't you get some delicate flats made for me? Custom made stuff.
For sure,
like clothing.
Like poofs and things of that nature.
Yup.
So there you have it. Go tell your friends and tell them to tell their friends. That is it.
Like, I'm tired of it, Suzanne.
I get it.
I'm tired of it.
Oh, you told them and now they know.
Say what, Wendy? Why again are you wearing those sneakers? No, guys, I'm just kidding.
See? You're gonna want what I have on. He doesn't just put me in any old thing.
Leave comments below. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, ciao.
I've been pushing work all summer.